Good morning students. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss the question answers of chapter 9, that is the second chapter of your history. Yesterday's video I have discussed the question answer of chapter 8, that was the first chapter of your history, that is studying the past. Today we will be doing second chapter of history, that is life of early man, chapter 9. And after that we will go to chapter 1 of geography, that is the planet Earth and the solar system. So today Chapter 9, Life of Early Man. First section is tick the correct option, that is section A. First question, which continent is believed to be the origin of mankind? And the right answer is Africa. You are having four options: Asia, Africa, Australia, North America, and the answer is Africa, option B. Second, when did man became a skilled tool maker? You are having four options: Mesolithic age, Paleolithic age, Neolithic age, Chalcolithic age, and the answer is Neolithic age, option C. When did man became a skilled tool maker? The answer is Neolithic age. Now come to the third one. The tools of Paleolithic man were made up of. Already in the chapter we have discussed Paleolithic means the old stone age. So obviously the tools of Paleolithic man were made up of stone, that is option B. The correct answer is stone. Now fourth, the first animal domesticated by man was cow, pig, goat or dog, and your correct answer is dog. I am saying the answers, you please match it with your answers because I have already asked you all to do the exercise. Now come to the fifth one. The early man traveled from place to place in search of what? The basic necessity was food. So the correct answer is food. The early man traveled from place to place in search of food. I hope it is clear to you all. Now come to the next slide, that is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Question first. The greatest achievement of man during Paleolithic age was fire. What did man discovered in the Paleolithic age? That was fire. Very good. Now come to the second one. Paleo means dash and lithic means dash. Paleo means old and lithic means stone. So that makes it old stone age. Third one. In India, the remains of Mesolithic man have been found in the regions of dash and dash. In India, where have we found the remains of Mesolithic man? We have found it in Ujjain and Jorva. Please write down. In India, the remains of Mesolithic man have been found in the regions of Ujjain and Jorva, Jorwa. Next, dash was the first metal discovered by man. The answer is copper. Copper was the first metal discovered by man. Now fifth one. Dash man believed in life after death. Answer is Neolithic man believed in life after death. Neolithic man believed in life after death. Now come to the next slide, that is of your question answers. I hope you have already done the previous chapter in your copies. We'll do this now. Life of early men. Answer the following questions in brief. Question number 1. Mention the sources that enable us to understand the history of early man. Mention the sources that enable us to understand the history of early man. Please write down the answer. Remains of objects, comma, fossil and tools excavated from different parts of the world. I will repeat the answer. Remains of objects, fossil and tools excavated from different parts of the world. Next question. List the three phases of Stone Age. Write down the answer. First one is Paleolithic Age or Old Stone Age. Next point, Mesolithic Age or Middle Stone Age. Next point, Neolithic Age or New Stone Age. I will repeat the answer. Paleolithic Age or Old Stone Age, Mesolithic Age or Middle Stone Age, Neolithic Age or New Stone Age. Now question number 3. How did early man obtain his food? Write down the answer. He obtained his food by hunting and gathering. Put a full stop. Later, he started doing farming. I'll repeat the answer. He obtained his food by hunting and gathering. Full stop. Later, he started doing farming. Now come to the next question. State any 2 uses of fire in the Old Stone Age. Only 2 are asked, but we will write 3. The first one is warmth in cold weather. The first point is warmth in cold weather. Second point, safety from wild animals. Third point, for cooking. I'll repeat it again. First point, warmth in cold weather. Second point, safety from wild animals. Third point, for cooking. Now come to the fifth question. What is meant by Chalcolithic period? Please write down the answer. It means the period when man started using copper tools along with stone tools. I'll repeat it. It means the period when man started using copper tools along with stone tools. I hope this section is clear. All the 5 questions. Now we'll come to section E. Answer the following question. Answer the following question. The first question is, describe any 4 major changes that took place in human life during Mesolithic age. Please write down the answer. This answer is having 4 points. Okay, already 4 points have been asked by the question. So we will write 4 points in this. Write down the first point. He started using bones and horns in addition to stone tools. I'll repeat the first point. He started using bones and horns in addition to stone tools. Next point. He started making huts with branches of trees. I'll repeat it again. He started making huts with branches of trees. Third point. He started doing agriculture. I'll repeat it. He started doing agriculture. For the fourth point, he also started taming animals. I'll repeat it. He also started taming animals. I'll repeat all the 4 points once again. Please listen carefully and write it down properly. The first point is, he started using bones and horns in addition to stone tools. Second point, he started making huts with branches of trees. Third point, he started doing agriculture. Fourth point, he also started taming animals. I hope this answer is clear. Now come to the next. What were the beliefs of Neolithic man about life? Please write the answer. The Neolithic man believed in life after death. Full stop. The dead were buried along with the objects like beads, posts, tools, etc. Full stop. That they used in their life. It was believed that they might need them in another life. I'll repeat the answer. The Neolithic man believed in life after death. The dead were buried along with the objects like beads, pots, tools, etc. that they used in their life. It was believed that they might need them in another life. Now come to the third question. How did the invention of wheel help in the development of human civilization? Write down the answer. The most remarkable invention of Neolithic man was the invention of wheel. I'll repeat this line again. The most remarkable invention of Neolithic man was the invention of wheel. Full stop. People used the wheel for making sledges and chariot. Full stop. Thus helping in the development of human civilization. 3 points are there. I'll repeat it again. The first point, the most remarkable invention of Neolithic man was the invention of wheel. The next point, people used the wheel for making sledges and chariots. Third point, thus helping in the development of human civilization. Now come to question number 4. Distinguish between Paleolithic and Neolithic age with respect to tools, occupation and invention. Now again it is distinguished between, so you already know how you are supposed to write the answer in table form. So make a line and put 2 headings on both the sides. On your left hand side you will put Paleolithic age, and on your right hand side you will put the heading as Neolithic age. So first I am going to tell you about Paleolithic age. So Paleolithic age, the first point is they used core and flake tools which were crude and unpolished. I'll repeat the point. They used core and flake tools which were crude and unpolished. Second point, they were hunter and gatherer. I'll repeat it. They were hunter and gatherer. Third point, fire was discovered during this period. Fire was discovered during this period. Now come to Neolithic age, that is on your right hand side. First point, they became skilled tool maker. Their tools were more strong and polished. I will repeat it again. They became skilled tool maker. Full stop. Their tools were more strong and polished. Now come to the next point. Their occupation was farming, comma, domestication of animals, comma, pottery, etc. I'll repeat it again. Their occupation was farming, domestication of animals, pottery, etc. The third point, they invented wheels during this period. They invented wheels during this period. I'll repeat the whole answer once again. Paleolithic age, the points are, they used core and flake tools which were crude and unpolished. Second point, they were hunter and gatherer. And third point, fire was discovered during this period. Neolithic age, first point, they became skilled tool maker. their tools were more strong and polished. Second point, their occupation was farming, domestication of animals, pottery, etc. Third point, they invented wheels during this period. I hope the answer is clear and please write it properly. Now the last question, how were the tools of Paleolithic man different from that of Mesolithic man? Okay, now write down the answer. In Paleolithic age, man used tools of stone which were crude and made only of stone. Full stop. But in Mesolithic age, they also started using horns and bones of animals as tools and weapons. Full stop. Next line. They also learned to fix small stones to sticks and used it for hunting. I'll repeat the answer once again. In Paleolithic age, man used tools of stone which were crude and made only of stone. Next point, but in Mesolithic age, they also started using horns and bones of animals as tools and weapons. Third point, they also learned to fix small stone to stick and used it for hunting. That's it. So we have discussed the exercise. Please write all the question answers, fill-ups and tick the correct option properly, neatly, without any spelling mistakes in your copy. Don't give me any chance to make a round circle in your copy. Okay? Because you are having plenty of time. I am repeatedly saying this. And you are also having the slides. The slides are from your chapter itself. That is the whole chapter. Go through it. If you have any doubt, you can call and ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.